Today's story: The Ungrateful Man.
Once, there lived a poor and lazy Brahmin named Yajnadatta. Tired of his nagging wife, he left his home. On his way through the forest, he heard some voices coming from a well. Peeping into it, he saw a tiger, a monkey, a snake, and a man at the bottom of the well. As soon as the tiger saw him, he called out, "Sir, please help us." The Brahmin hesitated and said, "No, I can't. You will kill me after I take you out." The tiger replied, "We promise that we will not harm you." Reluctantly, Yajnadatta decided to help. With the help of a rope, he pulled them out of the well. The three animals thanked him and said, "Please give us a chance to repay your kindness. But remember, don't trust that man in the well. He may harm you." But out of pity, Yajnadatta helped the man come out of the well too. The man said, "I am a goldsmith. I live in the nearby town, and if ever you require my help, I will be happy to assist you." The Brahmin continued his journey. On the way, he remembered his friend, the monkey. The monkey offered him lots of delicious fruits to eat. After that, he reached the tiger's place. Upon seeing him, the tiger was happy and gave him some jewels belonging to a prince whom he had killed. Then, Yajnadatta met his goldsmith friend and asked, "Can you sell these jewels and get me some money?" The moment the goldsmith saw the jewels, he recognized them as the prince's. He thought, "If I take these to the king, I will certainly be rewarded." He said, "Wait here. I will come back soon." The goldsmith went straight to the king's palace and showed the jewels to the king. The king immediately recognized them and asked, "How did you get these jewels?" The goldsmith replied, "I got these jewels from a Brahmin." The king ordered the Brahmin's arrest, and Yajnadatta was put in prison. Desperate, the Brahmin thought of the snake. The snake appeared, and Yajnadatta requested its help to get out of prison. The snake said, "I will bite the queen. No medicine will cure her of my poison. I shall ensure that the touch of your hand alone will be able to cure her. Then they will release you." The snake bit the queen, and no physicians could cure her. The Brahmin sent word to the king that he had a cure for the queen. When Yajnadatta touched the queen, she came back to life. The Brahmin then told the entire story to the king. The king imprisoned the goldsmith and rewarded the Brahmin. Yajnadatta became rich and lived happily ever after.
What was the name of the poor and lazy Brahmin in the story? What did the Brahmin see at the bottom of the well? Which animal did the Brahmin first help out of the well? What did the monkey give to the Brahmin when he visited? How did the Brahmin end up in prison?